Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Vela car mats. Vela car mat is a website where you can purchase different kinds of car mats, seat covers and different kinds of car accessories. Okay, so you should buy any product on this website or not, and what are the major problems. So let's get started. So first of all, without wasting your time, I want to tell you I have prepared some positive points and some negative points about this website. So let's get started. So first of all, the first positive point about the website is like the presentation. The website have provided their Facebook page, and this website is approx you can say like 4 to 5 months old, and you can see the website is you can say like created on you can say like 28th of February 2025. Okay, so it means the website is 4 to 5 months old, and we can say like website is available on you can say like 4 to 5 months on internet. Okay, and they have also provided their Instagram page, and you can see the Instagram page is also available. So in the terms of presentation, the website is looking like little bit good. Okay, but there are also some negative points. The product is you can see the product they are selling right now, all these product is easily available on Alibaba. Okay, and Alibaba, you know very well, Alibaba is a dropshipping website where you can purchase different kinds of you can say like product and very low cost, and you can sell the product at very high cost. So this is the working model of these kind of you can say like Alibaba website products. Okay, and if we talk about like other issue, that is like you can say the contact information, the you can say like Vela CarMates does not provide any kind of contact information. So let's suppose take an example, like you have purchased a product and maybe your product is damaged, maybe you will not get your product at your doorstep, and you want to contact with the customer support team. So how you will contact? So there is no contact information. They just provided a phone number, oh sorry, email ID, and by which email ID you need to contact with the customer support team. And when you email them, there is no you can say like proof, or you can say there is no guarantee they will reply you or not. So how you will contact? So this is the very big issue. So the basic thing I want to tell you, like you should before making any kind of purchase, you should contact with the customer support team related to return and refund, related to you can say like if product is not delivered, related to quality issue, like if you get your product, if the quality of the product is not too good, in that case how you can get your money back. So you need to ask these type of questions, and if you are satisfying with their customer support team, then you can make a purchase. There is no issue. Okay, so this is the information. Now hopefully I have provided you lots of information. Now you can make your own decision. Okay, so this is the information, my dear friends, and if you have any experience with this website, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.